What's up, guys? It's Andrew with All Kitchens Amazing. Cameraman was late with coming here, so we're actually just down to our last piece now. We pulled in here right around 9:50 or so. It is currently 10:07. We're heading in with the last piece now. Before we do the seam, we always try to glue up the sink if it's in the seam piece. Just because if you try to glue up the sink while the seam is setting, you can shift all your work that you did on the seam, and then it comes out terrible. Well, not terrible, but just doesn't come out as good as what we want. Alright guys, we're just going to take our grapples, stick them in the bottom of our sink to give us handles.
Hey folks, here we're starting part 2 of installation here. We're doing full height backsplash today. We have a seam here. We're 3:23 p.m. in the afternoon. It's Tuesday, February 20th. Our seam here, we have a little bit of warp, lippage in our stones. So just want to demonstrate here. We have a piece of paper. This here we are perfectly flush right there. That's 2/1000ths of an inch. That's about the thickness of a sheet of paper. We have our top polishing machine here. We're going to see if we can feather that out and make this seam nice and flat. this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here finishing up part 2 of an installation. Around a week or so ago, we installed the countertops here. We measured for full height backsplash, and then we returned. We worked on top polishing that. I'm going to introduce you here to our customers, John and Kathy. What do you think of this overall process?
I think it looks great.
Yeah, we're very pleased with how you helped work with us and how you all the way back last July showed us what would be some of the options, and we were delighted to reserve with you guys, and we've been eagerly anticipating, and I'm just very impressed with the craftsmanship and particularly how you took that seam out today when others maybe wouldn't have done that. So very appreciative of what you and your boys are doing here.
Awesome. What do you think of the overall fit and finish of everything?
It looks great.
I'd say it was near perfect.
Awesome, that's what we like to hear. Hey, we really appreciate your business, and thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Andrew.
No, you're all
Thank
very
you, sister, too.
hard-working people.
Appreciate it.